How's it? How's it? Can I get
the poke bowl over here?
Can I get the limu ahi or the Hawaiian style ahi? Oh wait, yeah, I want that one. Yeah, one choice. Oh, crab salad, ocean salad. How many choices I get? Three.
Three.
And then and a cucumber. Yeah.
It's spicy though.
Is it okay if I try it now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, this is jellyfish?
Yeah.
This is good. It doesn't taste like jellyfish.
Yeah. You wouldn't think that that's a jellyfish taste. I mean, jellyfish is basically water.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem.
Thanks for letting me try that.
This is our umami bombs. So what it is it's basically nadi bombs.
Oh.
But this is the spicy ahi, spicy shrimp, crab salad, and then spicy salmon.
Okay.
But yeah,
No,
but take
no,
one of these.
I'm not giving you money for it. No,
No, that's too much. That's
I
too
give
much.
you guys.
That's
For
too
real.
much.
No, you guys take it. You guys enjoy it, and then if you guys like it, come back and
I'm
let me
gonna
know.
definitely tell people about you then. Yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Have like introduced new flavors for the umami bombs.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because umami is kind of more like a savory kind of, something kind of a flavor that's hard to pinpoint. Like, oh, it gives it that extra. Wow, what is this?
Oh, okay,
So I'm
okay.
working on some stuff right now.
Okay.
That
Different flavors.
introduce those flavors.
Oh, nice. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Scott.
Scott, I'm Luke. On YouTube, I'm PhotoLukeHawaii. Thank you.
Alright, okay.
Okay, we see you later.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, bye. Yeah, I got that. I got the Hawaiian ahi poke. You can pick your fixings. So you order your, you get it with rice. You pick what kind of poke you want. They had this weird jellyfish poke that I tried, which is actually pretty good. And then you pick the fixing after that. So there's rice underneath here, but I picked crab salad, sea salad, and cucumbers. Yeah. So you choose whatever. They have a little mini bar there of things for you to choose from, and you just tell them what you want. So I'll just try the. The cut is good. The poke is good. Just the right amount of limu. They're so good. They're new at this location where Hiki, but they've been around. They were at Queens Medical Center previously, but they've been at this new location for a little less than a month. This is good. This is the other thing that they hooked us up with. Look at that. So let's try this one first. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think that's what it is. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is the shrimp. Wow, that's pretty good. Shrimp. This is like crab salad one. Last one. That's pretty good. I never had salmon. That's the first time I ate salmon. It's pretty good. All of the food is good. The fish is good cuts. It was good. It was all good. Thank you, Poke Fix. Mahalo for the ono bombs. So good. This is from Poke Fix in Waikiki. They've been there not even a month yet, but they were previously in another location, and so this is a new location for them. Let's go check them out, you guys. Their poke is really good. The fish quality is awesome. Super nice people and awesome food. Foodies, please go do a review over here because I don't do them justice, but the food is all good, you guys. You guys gotta try it. Worth it. Check them out. Poke Fix Hawaii.